Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2012 Ford Mustang, and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check in case your blower motor is not working. This video will apply to Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, just one quick tip before I show you the fuse and the relay. Now, if your fan only works on a specific speed setting, then most likely you're dealing with a failed blower motor resistor. But if fan doesn't work at all, then it's probably either a failed blower motor or the fuse. Both the fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the passenger side right here. Now, to leave the cover, there is a black tab. You want to press it and pull up. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and here access to all of the fuses and the relays. Blower motor fuse, it's a fuse number 4, which is a 30 amp fuse located here. And the blower motor relay, it's a relay number 51, which is right here. Now, the best way to test the relay, it's either try to replace it with one of the same kind, or use the multimeter to test it. If both fuse and the relay prove to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You want to check if the power is coming to the blower motor. If it is, then your blower motor failed, which actually happens quite often. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.